Hey guys, Christian here from the South Florida Science Center, ready to tell you guys about some awesome things coming up this week. If you guys don't already know, this week coming up is Shark Preservation Week, starting August 10th and running through August 16th. And all throughout that week, we're going to be having some really awesome shark-themed activities here at the Science Center. And with any admission purchase, your kids will actually get a really cool STEM kit full of all sorts of shark goodies. So we're going to go through and actually see what you guys are going to get in these STEM kits. Now, in these kits, we've included some really awesome DIY crafts and activities that you guys can actually do at home. And one of them is something that you guys are going to get really excited for. Many of you guys have been inside of our dig pit here at the Science Center. Maybe you found a really cool shark tooth. But if you haven't, we're going to actually be giving away some real shark teeth already bound and ready to be made into a shark tooth necklace. So if you've always wanted a shark tooth necklace or bracelet, you're actually going to be able to make one yourselves. Now, if you're excited about our first shark tooth, you're going to love our second activity. Using our second shark tooth that you're going to get, you're actually going to be able to make a trace fossil by taking that tooth and a little bit of clay and making an imprint. And once you have that imprint, you can let it harden and have a really cool keepsake that you can use to try and identify which shark tooth you have. Now, of course, we want you guys to enjoy your time here at the Science Center as well. So included in this kit are all sorts of really awesome activities that you guys can take part in throughout your entire visit. From learning about facts posted in our aquarium, watching some of our actual in-person presentations in our theater, as well as some awesome activities by the American Shark Conservancy. There's plenty of things for you to learn. Now, inside of your bag, you're also going to find some really cool knickknacks and tools that you guys can use throughout your stay, from pencils to crayons, stickers, tattoos, and even some really cool 3D printed items. If you guys have never seen a 3D printer in action, please make sure you come and check out our brand new Power Up exhibit inside of our traveling exhibit hall. We're going to be 3D printing little figurines like this all week long. Now, as you guys can tell, we are so excited for Shark Week coming up next week. Hopefully you guys are excited too. If you want to get your hands on one of these kits, but you can't actually make it out to the Science Center next week, you can actually purchase these kits online for just $5 and have them delivered curbside right to your vehicle. All of the proceeds are going to help continue our mission to open every mind to science. We'll see you guys for Shark Week.